100 people who earned over 10 crore from the stock market. The power of long-term investment. Even today, 95% of people in India are afraid of the stock market. But those 5% chose trust over fear and built a portfolio worth more than 10 crore. This is the story of those 100 investors who changed their lives with time, patience, and belief. In 1985, Mr. Rakesh Junjunwala started with just 5,000 rupees, and today his portfolio is worth more than 40,000 crore rupees. Similarly, since 1990, Mr. Vijay Kedia began investing in small companies, and today, in 30 to 35 years, his stocks have multiplied 100 times. Mr. Ramdev Agarwal started with 10 lakh rupees and in 30 to 35 years built a portfolio worth more than 1,000 crore rupees. Mr. Radhakishan Damani built an empire like D-Mart with patience and understanding of business. And there are 100 such investors who did not let their trust break even in the market's ups and downs. What is the secret of their success? Long-term vision. They did not rush, made time their ally, trusted in quality business, not share price. Look at the value, let the magic of discipline and regular investment compounding work. If someone keeps 1 lakh rupees for 20 years at a 20% return, that 1 lakh rupees becomes 38 lakh rupees. And if for 25 to 30 years, if the same 1 lakh rupees is maintained, that amount becomes more than 10 crore rupees. These people were not different. They just did one thing. The stock market starts making money when you make time your friend. Every small investment, if done with patience and understanding, can one day turn into crores. So now it's time to take a step forward, not with fear, but with understanding and investment to do. This video is the beginning from Share Shiksha. Remember, to make every Indian financially independent, think carefully, invest wisely, and trust in time. And become a part of the Share Shiksha family through those who sent you this video. Thank you.